Okay, what's up mga ka-Rems? Good morning, welcome back. Lagi na lang welcome back to our channel. It's another Tigo 8 Pro vlog for you guys. So ngayon is I'm on my way sa it's another Cherry Club Connect meetup, okay, with other Tigo owners. So first, the invite was given for PHEV owners, and then they open it up for other Tigo 8 Pro owners like 2.4, 2.0 and for 1.6 variant owners. Okay, so ngayon on the way. So ngayon lang ulit ako naka-attend. So ito isang nagustuhan ko with owning Cherry. I think you know very well na I'm owning this car for 2 years na. So next month 2 years na siya. So di mo akalain no na naka 2 years na pala. And yung feeling namin, yung feeling ko parang I'm still driving a brand new car. Talagang nag-enjoy pa rin ako every time nagagamitin ko siya. So like now, tulad na nakikita nyo naman, I'm driving under adaptive cruise control. So relax na relax. So medyo okay naman yung traffic. So light traffic. Eto, nagbablog ako. Then naka-adaptive cruise control. So very relaxing ko. Kita nyo naman, may ayokong bitawan. So that's for safety. Okay, going back doon sa Club Connect. So it will be, we're now on our way sa Mary Grace Arcovia sa may Pasig. So yan. So yan, ikot lang natin. Yan, so yan. So it's a Saturday morning. So I'll be meeting up some of our at least mamimit ko ulit sila. So matagal-tagal din yung ating mga Tigo 8 Pro Club admin and other Tigo 8 Pro members. So combination, may mga PHEV tayo 1.6 and 2.0. Pakita ko lang sa inyo mga ka-Rems ano yung mga update sa atin ng Cherry Auto Philippines, ng UAGI. So ano yung mga update, ano yung mga bago. So that's one good thing in owning this car brand. Kasi yung talaga yung after sales ng Cherry is hindi sila tumitigil na nakabenta sila ng sasakyan sa inyo, okay? And they still following you up, yung condition ng sasakyan. And then meron sila mga ganito, yung mga club meet up, meeting the owners, ano yung mga feedback. So they are taking this feedback. Okay, so tara mga ka-Rem, samahan nyo ako. So i-tour ko kayo kung ano yung makikita natin. Tara! Yan, dito kami sa may Mary Grace. Ayan, so dito yung event. So right now, still waiting. Nakapila na yung mga Tigo owners, Tigo 8 Pro owners. Papasok sa parking. Ayan. Okay, so we arrive 8:21. So maaga kami. Ayan. So ito pala si Sir J, PHEV owners yan. Okay, so ito yung giveaway ng Cherry for, by the way, for today's event. Yan, meron tayong t-shirt, yan, and name tag, and meron ring payong. Yan yung payong. So kakarami na ako ng payong sa Cherry And then this one, another one is cap, yan, with Cherry logo. Sira buhok ko pag sinuot ko to. Okay, tara, bihis tayo.
And then sa pinaka-8. So ensure na talagang sa operating system niya, the moment na masaya siya doon sa pinaka-value.
So you would like to ano?
Kotse, my go-to brand is Toyota. Good price performance, spare parts, galore. Parang kami malaking cellphone, dalawa, mahaba. The control always together makes having the helm under technical and training for Cherry. So basically lahat ng bagsakan ng product concerns. We'll help you out, guys. So, ang part ko for this morning or this event is, I'm sure
Okay, so that's it mga ka-Rems. Thank you for watching this short vlog. Again, don't forget to click that like and subscribe button mga ka-Rems. So salamat for watching, and until next time mga ka-Rems, God bless po.